Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Negotiation.
Let's learn English. Today, we will learn about some familiar words that are usually used in a negotiation between two parties.
We will give some examples, so you will understand each word.
Proposal. It means to offer or suggest for consideration. Proposal. Here's an example.
The IT solutions want to have a meeting with us to discuss the proposal.
Sure. Schedule a meeting tomorrow and let them know.
Win-win situation. It refers to a solution that benefits everyone. Win-win situation. Here's an example.
It's a win-win situation if you come to think of it.
I agree, but I have to consult with my advisor first.
Parties. It refers to different groups with different interests in a negotiation. Parties. Here's an example.
Both parties should agree with the terms and conditions.
Yes. We've been reviewing the contract and I just want to ask something about it.
Counteroffer. It refers to a different idea that the other party suggests. Counteroffer. Here's an example.
Morrison Incorporated has made a new counteroffer.
That's what I was expecting. We should have a meeting later.
Compromise. It means to adjust requirements to be more compatible with each other's interests. Compromise. Here's an example.
I think we have to make a compromise.
Okay. What's our plan?
Non-negotiable. It means the offer is not flexible and cannot be changed. Non-negotiable. Here's an example.
They said that the project is already non-negotiable. Should we still take it?
I've read the contract and I think the offer is pretty reasonable. Mediator. It is a neutral third party who can help the parties come to an agreement. Mediator. Here's an example.
The mediator just called, and he wants to meet with you on Friday afternoon.
Okay, thank you. I'll just call him about that.
Breakthrough. It refers to when negotiation was stopped for some time and then suddenly makes progress. Breakthrough. Here's an example.
I think We just made a breakthrough from that previous offer last month.
That's great news.
Deal. It is an agreement that has been made. Deal. Here's an example.
I'm sure we'll get that deal tomorrow.
Of course. We got the best team for them.
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
The IT solutions want to have a meeting with us to discuss the
Letter A. Proposal.
Letter B. Deal.
letter C. Breakthrough.
The correct answer is letter A. Proposal. The IT solutions want to have a meeting with us to discuss the proposal.
It's A. If you come to think of it.
Letter A. Mediator.
Letter B. Win-win situation.
Letter C. Non-negotiable.
The correct answer is letter B. Win-win situation. It's a win-win situation if you come to think of it.
Both should agree with the terms and conditions.
Letter A. Deal.
Letter B. Compromise.
Letter C. Parties. The correct answer is letter C. Parties. Both parties should agree with the terms and conditions. Morrison Incorporated has made a new
Letter A. Counteroffer.
Letter B. Breakthrough.
letter C. Mediator.
The correct answer is letter A. Counteroffer. Morrison Incorporated has made a new counteroffer.
I think we have to make a
Letter A. Parties.
Letter B. Compromise.
letter C. Counteroffer.
The correct answer is letter B. Compromise. I think we have to make a compromise.
They said that the project is all ready. Should we still take it?
Letter A. Proposal.
Letter B. Deal.
Letter C. Non-negotiable. The correct answer is letter C. Non-negotiable. They said that the project is already non-negotiable. Should we still take it? The just called and he wants to meet with you on Friday afternoon.
Letter A. Mediator.
Letter B. Counter offer.
Letter C. Parties.
The correct answer is letter A. Mediator. The mediator just called and he wants to meet with you on Friday afternoon.
I think we just made A from that previous offer last month.
Letter A. Mediator.
Letter B. Breakthrough.
Letter C. Win-win situation.
The correct answer is letter B. Breakthrough. I think we just made a breakthrough from that previous offer last month.
I'm sure we'll get that tomorrow.
Letter A. Proposal.
Letter B. In the meantime.
Letter C. Deal. The correct answer is letter C. Deal. I'm sure we'll get that deal tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.